Welcome to the tutorial video for the Aircall and Salesforce v2 integration. This video will show you how to install and configure the integration and take a look at some of its major features. This integration is available for Salesforce Unlimited and Enterprise accounts and needs to be set up by an administrator. We begin in the Aircall dashboard where we're going to select the Integrations tab, then click on Add an Integration, and hit Salesforce. Next, we select which numbers we want to associate with this integration. For our purposes, we're only going to pick the one. Without the CTI, you won't be able to enjoy all the features of this integration. Next, you'll be taken to a Salesforce login page. It's important that you use the same email for Aircall as you do for Salesforce. Here, select Install for all users, and take a short moment to reflect. The installation is now complete. As you can see, the aircall-cti is installed within Salesforce. Now all we need to do is to configure it. The first step is to type in call centers into the search bar and select Aircall-cti for Salesforce. Scroll down to Manage Call Center Users, click Add More Users, and since we only added the one, we'll find them right here below. The next step is to type in App Manager into the same search bar. Locate any of your Salesforce apps in order to integrate them into the Aircall-cti, then click Edit. From there, go to the Utility Bar tab to configure your soft phone's appearance. Here's what you need to do. Click Add, then select Open CTI Soft Phone, and label the soft phone something Aircall related, then hit Save. To wrap up, hit the Menu button, and go to Aircall in Lightning. And there you have it, your Aircall-cti is all ready to go. You can now place calls directly from within Salesforce. We're almost done. Switch back to the Aircall dashboard and make a choice of environment for this integration. Sandbox allows you to test out the integration before implementing it for your whole team. But for our purposes, we're going to put this directly into production. Hit Next. You have one final step to complete your integration. Follow the link to Salesforce, and you might find that all of these boxes are unticked for you. If that's the case, click Visible, and they will all be ticked. Then hit Save, reload your CTI, and complete the process in the Aircall dashboard. Congratulations! You fully set up the Aircall Salesforce integration. Now let's take a quick look at features. Here you can see which numbers are associated to your integration, and you can add and remove numbers at will. Here you can toggle your integration from active to inactive. And below in the call workflow window, you can determine when Salesforce logs a call. A call log is a Salesforce item similar to a task, but reserved for phone calls. Salesforce can log a call as completed, in progress, or do nothing at all. And you can choose one of these options for outbound, inbound, missed calls, and voicemails. Salesforce can do this strictly during your opening hours or even when your lines are closed. Here you can enable or disable the screen pop function, which gives you information on every inbound caller. And here you can choose to log as a new contact or a new lead every new caller that's not already in your contacts list. Next, we'll look at how to handle inbound and outbound calls within the new Salesforce and Aircall integration. Starting now, you can place and receive calls from within the Salesforce dashboard. Let's look at how an incoming call would progress. When the call starts ringing, a contact page pops up in the background of the Aircall-cti. The Aircall-cti offers the same features as the Aircall app. You can put a call on hold, access the dialer, and transfer a call from the widget. From your contacts page, you can refresh the activities bar on the right and find a link to the call you're currently working on. By following the link, you'll find a description of the call. This description includes a host of details such as the call's type, status, its log identifier, its proprietor, and its waiting time. During a call, you'll be able to add a relevant tag or leave a comment behind for your teammates. Adding a tag makes calls easier to find, and leaving a helpful comment lets your team work as a cohesive unit for both follow-up and subsequent calls. Once you've wrapped up a call, simply refresh the page and you'll see that all the information is now displayed in Salesforce. You'll find the call's duration, new tags and comments, and the recording link at the bottom. To place an outbound call, simply go to your contacts page, select the number you wish to reach, and Salesforce will dial it automatically into the Aircall-cti. You can also choose the number from which you wish to place the call. The ensuing call workflow is the same as the process for inbound calls. In order to monitor your activity, you can access all the data you've put into Salesforce via Aircall. If you go to your dashboards page in Salesforce, you'll see a collection of performance reports. You'll be able to keep tabs on your call's type, duration, distribution, and volume, either per number or per agent. We hope that this tutorial was helpful to you, and if you need any more assistance, you'll find a link to our FAQ below this video. It contains a text version of this guide. Thanks for watching!